Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about something delight, beautiful and timeless, crochet lace pattern. Crochet lace is known for its intricate design, lightweight texture and elegant appearance. From vintage tablecloths and modern fashion pieces, crochet lace has remained popular for generations. In this video, I will explain what crochet lace is, the material you need, basic stitches used, and how can start making your own lace pattern. A crochet lace pattern is a decorative design created using yarn and a crochet hook, forming open spaces and delighted motifs. Unlike regular crochet lace patterns, focus on creating airy, open-work designs instead of dense fabric. Lace crochet is often used for shawls, scarves, table runners, summer tops, and curtains. The beauty of crochet laces comes from the combination of chains, double crochet, and carefully placed space that from setting design. To start a crochet lace project, I'll need lightweight yarn or cotton thread, a crochet hook, usually smaller size for delighted lace, scissors, a yarn needle. For beginners, I recommend it using light colors yarn because it makes these stitches easier to use. Most crochet laces pattern for a few simple stitches, chain stitches. This creates the foundation and the open space in lace. Single crochet CS used to anchor part of a design. Double crochet DC adds high the help from decorative patterns. Table crochet creates even taller, more dramatic lace effects. The magic of lace comes from combining these stitches with chain spaces to form repeating motifs. Let me briefly explain how a simple lace repeat works. You usually start with a foundation chain that's multiple of a specific number, for example, multiple of 6 plus 2. Then you repeat a sequence like double crochet, chain 2, skip 2 stitches, double crochet again. Repeating this pattern across the row creates a small open space. As I build more rows, the pattern develops into a beautiful lace design. The key of crochet lace is counting your stitches carefully and maintaining even tension. Here are a few helpful tips. Always read the pattern carefully before starting. Use stitches marker if needed. Practice small switches first. Block your finished lace pieces to open up the design and give it a professional look. Blocking make a huge difference in lace project. In conclusion, crochet lace patterns are elegant, versatile, and surprisingly simple once you understand the basic. With just few stitches and some patience, you can create stunning handmade pieces. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy crocheting! Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy this amazing and latest ideas and modern designs. We will be right back. Take care guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy these amazing ideas and style, and these modern ideas are so new and so amazing. So take care. Hopefully you guys enjoy my video ideas and style. and modern designs and beautiful pattern. So see you soon guys in the next video, and bye bye.